Hello dear students, so now today we would move ahead in this second chapter of class 6 mathematics, that is playing with numbers. So today I have some new questions for you. So question number 1 is, in each of the following numbers replace star by the smallest number to make it divisible by 3. So these are the numbers given here. You have to make these numbers divisible by 3. So in that sense you have to replace the star here, okay, and you have to replace this star by the smallest number. Remember this, by the smallest possible number. So what could be the smallest possible number so that it can be divisible by 3? Now if you see, a given number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all its digits is divisible by 3. So let's add the digits here. So first we have 7, then we have 5, then we have star here, we don't know what is here, then we have 5 here. Okay, now if you add all these, so 7 plus 5 would be 12, and 10 plus 5 is how much? 17. So what should I write here so that it could be divisible by 3? If I write here 0, I would start from 0 because 0 is the smallest number here. Yes. So if I write here 0, so now in that sense, what is the sum here? 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 0 is 12, and 12 plus 5 is 17, which is not divisible by 3. So I would write here 1. Now if you check the sum here, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 5 is 18. Now if you see, 18 is divisible by 3. So to make the given number divisible by 3, we have to replace the star by 1. So I would write the answer 7515. So this would be the correct answer. Okay, so this number would be divisible by 3. So this is how we have to replace the star in each of the number here by the smallest number. Remember this, by the smallest possible number. Okay, by the smallest number. Okay, we have to start from 0. Like in here, if you see, if you add all the digits here, so 3 plus 5 plus star, we don't know what is here, plus 6 plus 4. If you add all the digits, what would be the sum? 3 plus 5 would be 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So 18 is itself divisible by 3. It means nothing should be here. So what should be here? It means 0 should be here. So if it is 0 here, so the sum of the digits is divisible by, sum of the digits is 18, which is divisible by 3. So to make the given number divisible by 3, I have to replace the star by 0. So answer would be 35064. So this is how you would answer the given question. So what should means which number should be here? So how would you replace this star to make it divisible by 3? That you have to do on your own. Okay, the way we have done the previous one question. Okay, just note it down. This one question you have to do on your own. So this is the next question before you. Here you have to make all the given numbers divisible by 9. So in that sense you have to replace the star. So what should I write in place of the star here to make the given number divisible by 9? Now again you might be knowing, a number is divisible by 9 if sum of its digits is divisible by 9. The way we have done the previous question, same it is. Okay, so again you have to add all the digits here. So if you see, first one is 6, then 7, then star is there, then 1 is there, then 9. If you add all the digits, how much is the sum? 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 1 14, 14 plus 9 would be how much? 23. If you see, 23 is not divisible by 9. Okay, so which number should I write here so that it could be divisible by 9? Now if you see, if I write 0, so sum would be 0, so sum would be 23, again not divisible. If I write 1, it would be 24. If I write 2 here, so it would become 25. If I write 3 here, so it would become 26. If I write 4 here, it would become 27. Let's say if I write 4 here, so it would become 27. Now if you see, 27 is divisible by 9. 9 3s are 27. So I would replace this star by the number 4 here. So I would write the correct answer would be how much? 67419. So this would be the correct answer. This one number would be divisible by 9. So this is how you have to replace the star here. Okay, so here also you have to replace the star. Okay, so if you add all the digits here, 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 4, then you have the star. Now if you add all the digits, how much is the sum? 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 7 how much? 19, 19 plus 8 would be 27, 27 plus 4 is how much? 27 plus 4 is 31. 27 plus 4 is 31. Now what should I write here so that it could be divisible by 9? If I write 0, sum would be 31. If I write 1, it would become 32. If I write 2 here, so it will become how much? 33. If I write 3 here, it would become 34. If I write 4 here, it would become 35. If I write 5 here, so it would become 36. If I write 5 here, let's say I'm writing 5 here. So if you are adding this all, this would be now 36. Now if you see 36 is the multiple of 9. 36 is divisible by 9. 9 4 is 36. It means I would replace the star by the smallest number, that is 5 here. So correct answer would be 5 here. Are you getting? So same way you have to replace the star here also. This question you have to do on your own. Just note it down. In this question also you have to replace the star, but in here you have to make the given number divisible by 11. So you might be knowing a number is divisible by 11 if sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places, if their subtraction or their difference, if their difference is divisible by 11, then the given number would be divisible by 11. That we have already done. Okay, so first mark the even and odd place here. If you see, this one would be the even place, first one would be the odd place. This is even, this is again odd, this is even, this is again odd. Okay, so first we have to add all the digits at odd place. Okay, now here first is 8 plus star nothing here, so plus 2 here. So 8 plus 2 would be how much? Sum of digits at odd place, at odd places. So first here you have 8, then you have star, then you have the next, that is 2. So if you add all, you are getting how much? 8 plus 2, 10. But still you don't know what is here. Okay, you have to write the number here. Now we would add the digits at even places. Now it is sum of digits at even places. So even places, first one is 6, then 7. 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7, it would be 30. Okay, now the difference should be how much? The difference of both these should be how much? Either it should be 0 or it should be the multiple of 11, means 11, 22, 33. Okay, so either it should be 0. Can it become 0? Yes. If I write 3 here, it would become 13, and 13 minus 13 would be how much? 0. Are you getting it? If I write here 3, it would become 13. 8 plus 3, 10. Sorry, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 2 would be 13. Okay, if I write 3 here, it would become 13, and 13 minus 13 would be 0. So difference would be 0. If difference is 0, 0 is divisible by 11. So that number would become divisible by 11 then. Are you getting it or no? Yes. So I would replace the star by the number. Which one number here? That is, I would replace this by 3. So what should be the answer here? It should be 8, 6, 3, 7, 2. So this is the correct answer. To make the given number divisible by 3, I would have to replace the star by the number 3 here. Are you getting it? So in that sense, this would be 13 and difference would be 0. Okay, so similarly you have to do the next question also. Again, mark the even and odd place here. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So first, sum of the digit at odd place. Sum of the digit at odd places. Odd place, what are the odd place there? Here it is 6. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So 6 star and 1. 6, don't know what, then and 1 here. How much is the sum? It is coming 7 right now. But still we have to write the number here. And the digit at even place. If you see at even place, we have 4 here. Then the next is 7 here. 4, 7, then the next is 9 here. If you are adding these all, you are getting how much? 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 9 would be how much? 20. Now if you see, the subtraction, the difference cannot be 0 here. Because whatever the digit you are writing, it cannot be more than 9. If you are writing 9 here, this would become 16. And 16 minus 20 is not 0. So what should I write here? What should I write here? If the difference is coming 0, it is okay. If the difference is coming 11 also, then it also would be divisible by 11, because the difference should be either 0 or the difference should be 11, 22, 33 means should be the multiple of 11. Okay, I can make the difference 11. Look here how I can make the difference 11. How? If I write here, right now it is 6 plus 7, 6 plus 1, it is 7. Okay. Now suppose if you see, if I write here, how much should I write here? If I write here 2, this would become 9. See, if I write here 2, this would become 9. And now you see the difference, 20 plus 20 minus 9 is how much? 20 minus 9 is 11. Now you see 11 is divisible by 11. Getting it or not? So to make the given number divisible by 11, we have to replace the star by 2 here. So the correct answer would be 467291. Are you getting it or not? So similarly, you have to do the next question also. Okay, just note it down. So this is all for today. Would be discussing some more questions of this chapter in the lecture set. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.